You can make and receive calls from your ServiceNow web page with Cisco Callmanager. You don't need a Cisco IP phone or a Jabber on your PC. You can make calls and receive calls just using the web browser. And the best thing is that this solution runs on your network. There's nothing in the cloud. Introducing Comstice Webphone for ServiceNow, fully integrated with your Cisco Callmanager. Now you can make and receive calls using your existing Cisco extension right from your browser. No hardware or extra software needed. And because security is very critical, the entire solution runs on your network. With Comstice, your voice traffic and your data remain under your control, ensuring complete privacy with no cloud dependencies. When a call comes in, a new ServiceNow interaction is instantly created. If you're a Cisco Finesse agent, this web phone is actually your Cisco Finesse desktop with built-in audio communications inside. Accept the call and jump directly into the relevant case. Making a call is just as seamless. Click the phone icon next to any number in ServiceNow and the Comstice Webphone will dial for you using Cisco Callmanager. It's true click-to-call experience powered by your Cisco infrastructure using your existing phone numbers. Unify your communications and your CRM. Boost agent productivity, enhance customer interactions, and maintain data security with the Comstice Webphone for ServiceNow. Visit comstice.com/Cisco to learn more and request a demo today.